Hello there. My name is Charles. I'm with Warley Digital, company here in Philadelphia. And I just saw your posting and thought I would just send you a quick video showing you what I do and how it can apply, how it can help apply to your new site. So you had given these two sites, Court Party Rental and SeattlePetersons.com, in your posting. Um, So the reason I'm making this video is because I understand for business owners a lot about optimization and website design. There's so much information out there, so many different people offering different things. So I'd like to just give you 3 free tips that you can take and implement for yourself. Give it to whoever you find, or if you enjoy what you see, I would love to work together. Okay, so those 3 tips I'm going to tell you about websites and how to help them optimize in Google for different searches are content, citations, and backlinks. So content has everything to do with what's on the front page. Everything that I'm going to highlight here in blue, all the pictures, all the texts, what the pictures are saved as. You can see this picture is just saved as a name. It would be better to save it as a keyword. And by keyword, I mean the words, the phrases that people will type into Google to look for your business. So even the text, Google optimizes for about 1,000 to 1,500 words of text on your front page. Authoritative text that shows who you are, what you do. You can see these guys don't have that much text. So on that scale, it's easy to beat them. Even these guys, your competition, they don't have that much text on their front page. Well, actually, not that much. Probably about 500-600 words of text. Yeah, so have it authoritative, saying what you do, who you are, where you're located, where your services are, your different locations that you service or deliver to. And also saturate it with keywords. Now, like I said, keywords are those phrases that in Google people look to search for your business. For example, if I was searching for party rentals, Seattle, first thing you see are Google ads. Then you'll see this part called a map pack, which I'll get to in a minute, and the organic listings here. That site you gave me, you put up on the post, you can see that they have ads running, and they're the first on the map pack, so they're getting a lot of traffic. So with keywords, it's important to research and find out what your clients will be looking for, and there are different ways to do that, and then saturate your front page and your other pages with those keywords. Second thing I want to talk about is citations. That has to do with the map pack over here. First, let me just mention, you'll see Google ads always on top of the map pack unless you have ad blocker. So a lot of people these days have ad blockers. So if you're spending money on Google ads, just keep in mind that you will miss some of your potential clients will miss you because of their ad blockers. Okay, so this map pack, how do you rank high here? It's 3 businesses and the map of the local area. If you hit more places, you'll see all the rest of the businesses in the map pack. And also sometimes you'll see a Google ad. So how do you rank here? Well, it has to do a lot with citations. The second thing I wanted to talk about. Citations are anywhere across the different directories online that your name, address, and phone number are listed exactly as they are in your Google My Business page. So the more authoritative and the higher number of citations you're in, the higher you'll rank in the map pack. Now, by directories, I mean directories like Better Business Bureau, Yext, Nextdoor, LinkedIn, Yelp, superpages.com, whitepages.com, yellowpages.com, etc. There are tools out there that you can find out how many citations your competitors have and where they're cited, and there are ways you can get yourself in those directories. But not only that, you want to double or triple the number of directories that your competitors are in. The third part of the search, the organic search listings, is where backlinks come in. If you think of the internet as a whole collection of web pages, a, a backlink is when one web page links to your page, directing traffic to you. Not all backlinks are the same, because if there's a forum for party rental companies that has a blog out and writes something about you guys, that's a good backlink. If it's a Pizza Hut writing about you guys and has a link to you, that's not a good backlink. Google sees that it's not in the same niche and will consider it a bit spammy. So there are tools out there to discover the backlinks your competition out there has. Like we'll take these guys for example. I use a tool called Ahrefs, and Ahrefs helps you analyze different websites. You can see that they're ranking for quite a bit. They have very many keywords. I guess they've been there for a while. Yep, they've been here for a while. However, like I said, not all backlinks are the same. You can see a lot of their backlinks are lower quality from a scale of 0 to 100. So it's possible to rank closer and closer to this person. I want to take your other competitor and let's see what their profile looks like here. Oh yeah, well, they've also been in the business for a while. It's not impossible to come close to them. It all depends on the kind of keywords you're trying to rank for. And I'm going to use the same tool. Remember this, we searched for party rental Seattle. I'm going to use the same tool, and when I look at party rental Seattle, I can see, let me take an overview. 200 people look for that every day. Every month, sorry. And by domain, you can see, here we go. Your competitors get about 80 people going to that domain every month. So if you rank closer to them, you'll be able to take a lot of this traffic that you see. So down here, Clowns Unlimited, let's see their profile. They have about 5,000 backlinks. Seattle Bride Magazine, I know that's a big site. Seattle Event Rentals. Now I think that these guys would be more of your competitors. Let's look at their website first of all. Okay. I'm not sure if these are your kind of competitors, but however, they are ranking for that keyword, and it's easy to beat them. It's easier to beat them. Alright, so those are the three things I wanted to talk about when it comes to your website: content, citations, and backlinks. So if you like what you've seen, remember I am Wally Digital. Just you can get in touch with me. If not, no harm, no foul. Use these tips. I hope that I can help you expand your business, and definitely we can design such sites. Actually, I'm going to pause the video right now and show you a template of a site I've been working on. All right, thanks for holding on. I use a platform called Snaps, which is kind of like WordPress and Weebly combined, mixed together. It's pretty simple to use, but this is a template for Hobby Store that I was working on, and I guess you could change things around. So instead of hobbies, it would be party rental equipment and stuff. But you can have a shop, FAQs, contact, about. But this is just a template. This is what it looks like on tablet. And finally, on a mobile phone, this is what it would look like. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. Thanks a lot for your time. All the best.